Hey, it's Ty Crandall here with Credit Suite with a business credit and funding tip on how to set up your business credibly to get approved for credit lines, loans, and business credit cards. So lenders and credit issuers all have a secret set of standards that you must meet to get approved for financing for your business. One of those has to do with the way that your business address appears on your application for credit loans or credit lines. So first of all, you want to try to use a real physical address as your business address. If you can't do this or it doesn't make sense like you work from home, then use a virtual address as your backup option. You can go to creditsuite.com/virtual, or you can just look for a virtual office provider like Regis or Alliance where you could rent a physical mailbox at these locations without renting a physical address. Now, at last resort, you want to use a home address. Now, some sources like Walmart won't approve you for a business credit card if you're using a home address as your business address. And be aware that nowadays places like Dun & Bradstreet are adding Google Street Views of your business location on your business credit report. So if you're using a home address, some sources may not approve you. You may even see a picture of that on your credit report, but it's still better than using PO boxes and UPS address. This is a no-go option because lenders and credit issuers have a database that they reference before issuing an approval or denial to see if your address is either a UPS or PO box address. So those are ones to be avoided at all costs. Now, if you're looking at virtual addresses, then virtual addresses you can use it as an actual real physical address. You can have a virtual address there where you've got somebody answering phones, etc. for you, or you can have a true address there. So there's a lot of options when it comes to virtual addresses, whether you just get mail there, whether you actually use it as an office, whether you use it virtually where you have a receptionist and those type of services. So a lot of options when it comes to looking into virtual addresses. So don't forget your free 4-step guide on building business credit at creditsuite.com/tips. And if we can ever do anything to help you getting business credit and financing for your business, feel free to reach out to us directly, 877-600-2487 or creditsuite.com.